So welcome back to our project in downtown Montreal. So as you can see, there's been a little bit of progress since we were last here. So they're building up the rebar for the framing of the staircase. I'm standing on a concrete footing that they already have poured. And here they started doing the backfill and compaction, prepping everything to keep going. So similar to the lower levels, we're building up from the bottom. So here we see that the layers are coming a little bit together. So the landings are gonna be stepping down, the same as our whole backyard. So everything is coming along. Then in the corner over there, we have the concrete guys that are starting the framing for more pouring of concrete. They're supposed to pour tomorrow. It's starting to snow a little bit, but that's not a problem. That was a big fart. So as you can see, these projects have limited access and it takes a lot of coordination. So while the guys are doing their framing for the concrete down there, the machines are in park, we're just waiting. It's December now, we're starting to near the end of the season. We're gonna go as long as we can until the ground freezes, basically so we don't mess up the soil composition. And then in the spring, we're gonna come back once the soil thaws. So then we'll be able to run the machines and we won't damage anything. So obviously I'm not the concrete expert. However, the experts are using these panels and locking them together with this little bolting system. And then when they're ready to pour, everything will stay nice and tight and won't move. So that's how they build these footings, these massive footings, super well, super concrete. Get that joke? So the next steps, while this is being all built, they're gonna bury these pool pipes and connect them to their pool equipment that's hidden over there. So everything will be tucked away and won't affect the overall aesthetics of the project. Then back here is gonna be a plantation zone. So that has already been prepped. We're just gonna be waiting for the project to be further along to do the plantation. I got hops. So make sure if you wanna be on Santa's good list this year, you like and subscribe.